Bros and baddies, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. I appreciate all you guys tuning in, watching the vids. I really appreciate it, guys. I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to get right into it. So here's the topic of the video today: watching YouTube effectively. Okay, so what I'm saying is that there are a lot of people who do watch YouTube. They consume, you guys consume YouTube, right? Which is awesome. You should consume YouTube. YouTube is a great platform, right? But you guys need to stop consuming content and start using it, okay? So today, what I'm gonna do is give you the top 2 things that you can do better so that you can watch YouTube effectively. And at the last one, I'm gonna have a bonus tip for you guys that maybe a lot of people don't know. Actually, most people don't know this, but I'm gonna tell you guys this today. So let's jump right into it. I don't wanna waste any of your time, guys. So first things first, when you watch YouTube, number one, you need to watch with intent and not just for entertainment, okay? So I am not saying that you can't watch your cat videos. I'm not saying you can't find out how much money Mr. Beast gave away today. Look, I'm not even saying you can't even find out the real reason why Klay Thompson cheated on Meg Thee Stallion, all right? It is what it is, okay? Everybody watches YouTube the way that they want to. Most people watch it for entertainment purposes, and that's completely okay, all right? But at the end of the day, most people, when they do watch YouTube, they don't use it to improve anything about themselves. They don't use it to improve anything in their life. So people open YouTube and they scroll, they click on random videos, and then what happens is after they click on a random video and they watch it, essentially, if it wasn't something great, they just forget about it. They forget about everything that they watched. They forget about what it was even about. If you would even ask them about it, they probably wouldn't even be like, oh yeah, it was about whatever the hell, right? They wouldn't even know. So what I want to challenge each and every one of you to do is, before you watch a video, I want you to ask yourself, what am I trying to learn and why am I watching this? Okay, so for all my IT people out there, if you want to learn how to get into tech, you need to watch videos where it says, I want to learn how to get into tech, or I want to understand discipline better, or I want to understand consistency better. Again, 2 videos that I've already done. Please go ahead and watch that, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do not have a purpose when you watch YouTube videos or when you consume any content, you'll just end up entertaining yourself and you won't actually improve, okay? If you are trying to break into tech and you're just watching like random tech videos about, you know, coding and switching and routing, but you have 0 clue where you're going, guys, which essentially what'll happen is you'll just end up wasting your time and you'll become overwhelmed, right? And what I come to find is that a lot of people that are trying to get into tech, a lot of the reasons that they don't know how to get into tech or they don't know exactly where they want to go is because they actually consume so much content about tech, or they hear so many things about tech, that they literally have no idea what to watch. They have no idea where to go. And they've seen so many things and they've watched so many videos, or they've heard some people talk about a whole bunch of stuff, and they get scared, they get confused. So I am here to tell you that when you start watching YouTube videos, when you consume videos like this one for educational purposes, guys, please consume it with intention, okay? Please make sure that when you watch videos that you're learning something about that, okay? So I want to go and hop into the second point here really quick, because like I said, I don't want to take too much of you guys' time. So the second way that you want to watch YouTube effectively is you want to watch something that you get to apply something immediately after watching, right? So what most people do, and please tell me if I'm wrong, please leave it in the comments if I'm wrong, but most people, what they do is they watch a tutorial video, or they'll get advice, one of those get advice videos about consistency, about being motivated, or whatever the case is, right? They'll watch those videos about stuff like that, and then what'll happen? They never act on it, right? I want you to start challenging yourself that after every video you ask yourself this one important question: what is one thing from that video that I can apply to my life today? For example, if you watch an IT video on a particular day, so if you watch an IT video or something like that about showing you how to do something in reference to technology. Let's say, for example, you want to get into networking, and you watched a video about how to configure a switch, a Cisco switch, right? After that video, if you don't have a home lab, you should be trying to get a home lab to set up your own lab so that you can start working on Cisco switching, right? You want to try to make sure that you can implement one thing that you've watched from that video so that you can absorb the information, guys. A lot of people are doing this. They watch these videos and they don't absorb anything, right? So if you watch a video on discipline, right? Set one habit. I've told you guys in previous videos that you guys need to start practicing daily habits every day to become the best version of yourself in just 1 year. And I mean what I say, but it doesn't work if you don't take any of that information and you don't apply it, right? Can't watch the video and not apply it, guys. It just makes no sense when you do that. You guys have to start doing that, okay? Or for example, if you watched a video on career advice, if someone told you about something you need to, have down or something you need to take care of or anything when it comes to your career, guys, if it's something that is supposed to be, it should be added to your resume, add it to your resume immediately. Don't wait till later. Don't wait till a month from now, because you know what's going to wind up happening, guys, and I shit you not. You're going to run into somebody who wants your resume. And guess what? Your resume is not ready because you did not put the information on the resume immediately after you saw the change you needed to make. Guys, I cannot tell you how many times I've run into people who tell me they want to get into tech. And I say, hey, send me your resume. Send it to me right now. Let's take a look at it right now. And I do that specifically just to see if people are ready on the spot. Guys, you need to always be ready. I think the term was always stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Guys, it works exactly the same way. So as you continue to consume these videos and consume this content, guys, you need to make sure that you try to apply one thing from those videos when you watch them, okay? If you do not have a purpose, you'll just end up entertaining yourself and not improving at all, okay? So if you're trying to break into tech and you're just watching random tech videos, guys, it's not gonna work, okay? You don't need to apply everything from that video. You just need to apply one thing. That is how true progress actually happens, okay? Now, as I close out this video, I want to give you the third and final point. And for all of those who are still watching, I want to thank you again for watching this video. I truly appreciate you. The last point that I will tell you guys to do so that you can start consuming YouTube or any content effectively is watch the videos at faster speeds. Guys, I cannot tell you how many times I talk to people and they're listening to podcasts or they're listening to videos or they're listening to stuff and they're watching it at regular speed. And the person is talking so slow. And I'm telling you right now, from a guy who watches a lot of podcasts, who listens to a lot of people, some of these people really talk slow. And that's okay. It's okay that they talk slow, but you can make them talk faster. Make them talk faster, guys. Try watching the videos at 1.25 speed or 1.5 speed, okay? It helps you to consume more content, number one, and number two, it keeps your brain sharp. If you continue to listen faster, it continues to helps sharpen your brain because you're listening at a faster pace, trying to get all the information in, okay? So if it's something complex, like something in reference to IT that you truly need to pay attention to, guys, please don't go and set the damn timer to the speed to 1.5. Don't do that, guys, okay? If it's something you truly need to learn and you need to understand, guys, don't set it at a faster speed, okay? Don't do that, all right? So I don't want you guys to sacrifice the speed. Don't sacrifice your understanding for speed, okay? You can watch the fun stuff faster. I recommend you, if you're gonna watch some fun stuff or stuff that's truly not gonna help you, you can do that at faster speeds, but stuff that you truly need to learn, guys, or you need to understand, guys, please watch it at regular speeds or at least 1.25. I think a lot of you could at least listen at a 1.25, okay? So I say all that to say in closing of this video, guys, YouTube can either waste your time or it can actually change your life, okay? It has changed my life crazy. I can't tell you how many times I've had to watch tech videos and I got ability to watch them over and over and over again. And that is one of the best things that's ever happened to me, guys. So being able to use YouTube effectively, because it is now, I don't know if a lot of you know, but YouTube is the #1 search engine in the world now. It has actually surpassed Google. And I think a lot of people truly don't know that, but you need to be able to use it effectively, okay? So again, you can either waste time watching YouTube or you can use it to change your life, okay? Depending on how you use it. And the last thing I want to say is information does not change your life. Applying what you learn does change your life, okay? So I say all that to say again, thank you guys for watching the video. I truly appreciate it. Guys, if you need help with consistency, please watch my previous video. If you need help with trying to get into IT, break into whatever your career type is, if you need any type of guidance or motivation or consulting, guys, please email me. My email is in the bio, all right? Listen, as I always tell you guys, with any information that you consume, you eat the meat, you spit out the bones. If it works for you, apply it. If it doesn't, then let it go. I'll catch you guys in the next video.